Tala genera woho. Anira lo. Kata molengi nyeno we ani no mapa mini kuma nyonge. We are body. Kuma duguli. Hey girl, come feel me. Love. Inna inna marana. Nakota mani señorita. I got you. Nipe love. Inna inna marana. Kape ina. Nama yumuchuna. I got you. One time, two times.
All right. One love, bravo, Rax. This
Peace
is
and love, my
Peace and
brother.
Laughter. Thank you so much joining us right now on Facebook and on YouTube on Tommy Bear TV. Today
Yeah,
is a
man.
very special day, and we are going to do a wonderful get to know your artist that is on the celebrity corner. And I have my brother, Mr. Bravo Rex. Yeah, Latinini.
To my bear, yeah, man.
Thank you. Boy, what terminated. You are more Bayal.
Who are you like a commander?
Yeah, it's good to see you, man. It's so good to see you. I haven't seen you for a very long time.
Yeah, it's been long now. It's almost coming to a year. Yeah, if I remember. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Nice seeing you again, yeah.
Yeah, good to see you. I love you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Peace and
Now,
love, my brother.
yeah, thank you. Now we're gonna go on and begin our sessions. As you know, this is a very fresh program that we're going to be having on this very station that you see here on the TV. We are going
Yeah,
to have Bravo Rex for the first time ushering us to this well to do, and it's going to be massive all over the world as we bring to you all the artists, the celebrities that you know in Uganda, and also
yeah,
some of them who are here in the US. So I'm right now in the US, and I have my brother Bravo Rex here with me as we are going to discuss more about his musical journey. I know he
yeah,
has a slogan about music is a journey. So
yeah, man.
you will get to know why he says music is a journey right about
Yeah,
now.
true.
Yeah, let's first listen to his song a little bit, and we can move on from there right there.
I got you. Me amarane. Angeli mara. Anwen amari. He want town cigar, 2 town Philly, in Jala Calatwe, Manutama, Gal, Uta, Momo, Gal, Bina, Momota. Pretty girl.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Well done, Jel. Beauty my bad. Oh, man, I'll go, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I took pro on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
That's good. All right, let's get started. Who is Bravo Rex? Actually, let's start from there. What is your real name, and where do you come from? Let's start from there.
Bravo Rex, if I go down deep, I'm an actually guy. Yeah, I come from Gulu. My real name is Ochakachon Godfrey. Mona lo lemon, right? Then the real traditional way, you know, Ochakachon Godfrey.
Okay.
So that's my real name.
Yeah.
And then the stage name is Bravo Rex UG. So I call myself the Excellent King. So like I'm explaining that name, Bravo Rex. Yeah. So Rex is like I named myself after the King of England. You see, he was called Rex. I said, why can't I put my name that? So that's why I said the Excellent King. So explaining the name Bravo Rex. Yeah, and my slogan is music is a journey, because yeah man, because one thing I want to tell you is music is not a journey of one day. Because you won't wake up one day and release a song and you'll feel like you'll catch the wave. So you have to go step by step and learn more the industry, and then you'll get it up.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's always difficult in the music industry the way you start. So getting to that, talking about your name and how you chose your name, I guess you took your time to really decide on to use that name, Bravo Rex, which I know every people
Yeah,
find it difficult. It's very difficult to take a name like a stage name for yourself. How did you come about
yeah.
with the Bravo Rex DJ?
I started way back in school, and people
Yeah,
used to tell me every time I sample something, say bravo, 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 bravo. They
yeah,
say that word comes from a French word, those things. So I said, why can't I call my name Bravo? Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. We already have a comment here from someone. James Kohler saying, "This is great. Thank you so much. Keep watching. We shall get into your comments later on in a few minutes after we get to know about our man Brother Rex. Now,
Yeah.
you said you're from Gulu. Which part of Gulu specifically? Like,
In Gulu, I stay in around Badege.
okay,
Around Badege Tedam,
hmm
when you will pass the airfield side, and yeah, around that area.
okay, is that where your village is, or you come from a different
I
village as
think
well?
that's where my village is because that's where I grew up from. Yeah,
That sounds good then. That sounds good. Yeah, get to know your artist. This is Brother Rex with me, Mr. Laughter. So we're getting to know him very well. All right, now that we know that you have a good name and everybody knows in Uganda, your name is Brother Rex. So
yeah.
let's begin by when did you really start doing music? Since when did you begin your music?
Musically, I wasn't serious at first. I started in 2017. I was still studying. I was still in high school. This high school stuff. You do music for fun. So I
Yeah.
was doing music for fun in high school. So just with a blink of an eye, I was seeing a large following. You get trying to follow me up, trying to hype me up. Then I say, why can't I do it? Why can't I take it serious? And
Yeah.
since it
When
was
was
the time,
when was that? Which year was
that
that?
was 2017.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Then I took it now serious in
Mm.
2019. That's when I started with a certain song called Party Mood. If you go to my
Okay.
YouTube channel, you'll get it there.
Yeah,
I
the
started
link
with
is
that
also
song.
on the description. Yeah, I guess people
Yeah.
will go that. Yeah.
Yeah, so I started with Party Mood seriously. Then, still now, still pushing. I know one day I'll be a great start soon.
Yeah, sure. You have to start from anywhere, somewhere. I mean, at least if you have already started since 17. So right now it's 2024. It's almost
Yeah,
like 4-5 years in the music industry,
yeah,
which
that
is
is,
great. So far, how
yeah.
many songs do you have?
If I'm to count serious songs, I think they're around 11.
Hmm.
If I'm to count serious songs, not the one that I was used to play with, I think I can count 11 songs. Which
Yeah.
others I'm planning to take them back to studio, redo them, and maybe
Okay.
the video shoot, stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. That's still a lot of songs in 5 years. So that means you're doing really well in my view. So it's always good to have that in mind.
Yeah.
I know it's also very, very difficult to do songs in Uganda, knowing like the cost of music
Yeah.
production and video production. So talking on the audio, you already have, you said about 8 songs?
Yeah, 8 serious ones. Yeah, 8 serious one wherever you can. It's like a hit after a hit. To me,
Okay.
that's how I feel it. But then to my fans, I don't know how they feel it. When you write a song, you'll always feel it to the maximum. But when a person listens to it, the person will either feel it or put it into trash. That's how people do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I get. I understand you. Not every. I mean, the kind of music that you do. What would you call yourself? Like, what kind of music are you doing in your own?
I'm this person. I think I'm a bit versatile.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a bit versatile. I do Afro dancehall.
Okay.
I do R&B. Even this local actually music like I also do it now. Like if someone goes to my YouTube channel and find songs like that, I'm a bit versatile. I think I sit on any beats that comes by.
Okay. That's good then. That's good. Now that's really good, because it's very difficult to find someone who can do multitudes of or multiple genres of music. Because some people are just strictly R&B, others are strictly Afrobeat, others are strictly like Kubu, the rest. But at least you're versatile, which is very rare to find. I'm happy that I'm getting to interview you today to know that you are a versatile musician. So that is good. All right, so let's get into the real deal. After being in music for 4 years, who would you say was your inspiration to join music?
My inspiration, I think myself. I take myself first, because I put in the energy. That was one. The hard work. The sleeping in studio. Sometimes I go sleep in studio just because of one song. I want to also release a hit. The hard work I've put in. Then my fellow artists. Let me say my fellow artists in the north. We have the Easy, the Luxys, the Eddy, Wizzy. So all those guys that contributed. Then when you come to the central part of Uganda, people like the Bebe Paul. So I feel they've really motivated us into the industry. They've built us, and I think they've made us to be fighters, because this industry, you have to come when you're ready.
Yeah. That sounds good, really. It's very, very important that we get to have at least somebody who can inspire us in life, and I'm sure for some reason one day, who would you say among all those inspirational artists would be someone that if you want to sing with, could be number one in your case? Like, who do you want to collaborate with in among the ones that you thought maybe they were in your inspiration?
If I'm to tell you, Mr. Laughter, all those guys are so great. There are a lot of great talent in northern Uganda, the ladies, the men. But I think if I'm to make a collab with one, I think I should start with Eddy Wizzy, because I feel his energy matches my style of music. Then the rest will follow. Since I'm versatile, I can sit anywhere, but I feel there's that connection. When someone is singing your kind of music, you feel connected already. So I feel it's so good in Afro dancehall. Those Afrobeat is giving us, the R&B is giving us. So I feel if I get a chance, I won't throw it. I won't take it for granted. Man. Eddy Wizzy. Just one day I'm coming to you, my brother.
That's good. That's good to know. I'm going to try to bring him in here in a few weeks to come. So I know they have some programs going on. So I'm trying to get all the artists that are like in the UG. So I will ask him if he wants something to do with you. I will try to link that up. So put that on me. I will see. He's a good guy as well. So that would be really nice to. I feel like the way he's saying is kind of close to his style as well. So that would be a very, very good collab. Thanks for really noticing that and seeing that you have somebody in the UG or Northern Uganda that you would want to collaborate with, which is good. All right. So next is a very, very good song. So now we have these songs here. I want you to talk about them a little bit. Which was like your first song that you started with? Like people getting to know you and they say, okay, this is the song that people knew me with, that they know that yes, this is Bravo Rex coming out. Which song would you say that is?
The song that brought me to the limelight is Twende Nyumbani. Twende Nyumbani is a blended song whereby I mixed the language. I placed Kiswahili. I went ahead, placed a little bit English. Then I placed the Luo. Actually was very conk. So that song became a very big problem whereby I made a mistake and I released 2 songs after that, and that song beat all of them down. Then I said, what can I do? So that song became a problem, and it led to a lot of performances. It gave me an award. So I give respect to that song. Twene Nyumbani. Twene Nyumbani
Yeah.
make me who I am right now, because now you, Mr. Laughter, you would have not known me if it wasn't that song. I think you have been hearing about it, you have been playing it too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so that's your breakthrough song. I totally agree with you. It's one of the beats that nobody can just pass by without really giving any tribute. So you can give us a simple cappella. I know the background is a little loud and you're still a little bit.
Nino mako nini ilako kona jemi wengme kuma olake Nino mako nini ilako kona jemi wengme kuma olake Money Balawia kuma atake kutu kuma Kila siku mogiwia mina kujali Awini porokweda
That song is really big, man. That song is so
yeah,
big.
Man. That song,
everywhere.
I respect it.
It's a big song, man. It's a very, very big song.
Man.
Nobody can disagree with me. It's a very massive song. The good thing is it's all around, all the platform. YouTube is there. And have you tried thinking of doing something like a record label? Have you thought of joining in a record label in your music industry or in music journey?
Right now, what I'm doing is I'm building Bravorex Music as a record label. Right now, I think you know Madeke events, or Madeke events and promotion. Yeah, Madeke promotions.
Yes.
Right now, I got in touch with him and he signed me under his promotion, under his event. So we are working hand in hand. But all in all, right now, what I'm doing is we are trying to work together to build Bravorex Music as a record label together with him. Yeah, so that in years to come, I think we shall be also holding hands of the young talents at home there, the young girls and the young boys who are coming after us. So we shall be signing them up and I think giving them also the platform where we have been. So that's why I'm working so hard. I want it at least, if it goes worse, at least within 2 years, at least we should be somewhere. Yeah.
That's really good. That's really a good idea. I know most people love to join record labels, but if you have that mentality and that idea of creating your own record label and signing in young artists and building them up, which is a very good thing. It's something that many artists don't really think of. Some people just think of themselves only, and they say, it's just me and my brand and everything with my brand. But looking at who you are and the way you relate with people, I'm really happy of your desire to really bring that record label to people. This is a good
addition. In addition to that, this industry is not easy. The reason why I'm doing all this with Madeke Promotions, we're working hand in hand with him to make sure everything fall in our hand. I've been in this industry for a little bit. I've not yet learned enough, but the suffering in it made me to think that way, that why can't I make a record label whereby I can hold the young talents to bring them up, to join me where I am, because me myself, I suffered a lot to reach where I am right now.
That is good. That is good. That's a very good initiative to help young kids and how young ones to also get to know that they have a future in music. It's really good. I like that. I like that a lot. Which is, I love it. So looking at your progression this year, there is something that you got for your performance and for your great music. In the 4 years that you have got, this is the first time that you have got something extraordinary, and nobody believed that you could have got it. In 4 years, you have got something. I want you to tell us, what did you get and where did you get it from? Yeah.
For real, God has been so good to me since I got to work with Madeke events and promotion. So everything became so easy for me. Yeah, Madeke has been behind everything. He has done a lot of things for me. He has done promotion. You know, we artists sometimes we fail to do other things, but if you have someone who acts who work as a manager, so me right now I term him as my manager because he's doing everything for me. So I respect him so much. Big up my brother. Yeah. I respect Mandeke so much. He's my manager. Since he signed me under his event, so everything has been so good for me. And before the year ended last 2023, for real, I got nominated for Noma Awards. And the funny thing is,
way to go.
The funny thing is, I was nominated and I never had that mentality of winning or scooping anything because I was nominated in 3 categories. I was nominated in Breakthrough Artist of the Year, then I was nominated in New Artist of the Year, then R&B Artist of the Year. Then I saw the lineup. I said, all these artists are great. How will I go through? You get? But God has been so good. That's why I give thanks to God so much. And with my team, because I have a team that I'm working with that helped me so much with the voting and other things. And boom, came 1st of Jan this year. Man, I just went for that event just to perform. You get? I just went to perform. I never knew I was going to come back with something heavy in my hand. So everything went well. Then I was even now going. I said, now let me just go home. I just had my name on the stage. Where's this guy, Bravo Refugee? We give you this award of R&B Artist of the Year because you deserve it. I was a bit shocked, and I felt I worked for it, but in the other way, I felt like, do I really deserve it? Because I had a lot of guys who are great, who are bigger than me. Beating them down wasn't easy. I was still all in shock, and still I give thanks back to God and my fans that voted for me.
Oh, it was really amazing. I heard from here that you won R&B Artist of the Year, which is a very, very big, I would say, how can I say, big achievement in your side, knowing that you've been in the game or in the music for just only 4 years, and now you have an award to show for it. It's a very big step, and I know by now that you have won something. Many people will really focus and see who Bravo Rex is, and that's why I just decided to really call you on board and let you know, and let the listeners and the viewers know, or people who watch the channel know who Bravo Rex is and some of the things that he got. That is the accolade, right?
Yeah, this is the accolade, man. This guy is like now my brother. Everywhere I go, I pocket it.
It looks really beautiful. I love it.
Yeah, man. So this was the award that it wasn't easy to get it. I just appreciate my fans who did so well to making it happen.
Yeah, I'm glad people. I mean, it's always good to be appreciated, even if people have had lots of issues with the word. And what would you say about the word itself? In your own view, how was the experience for you? I know people had already talked about it, many things. Down why you madwata kan kuja kono jomukene so ingeji mukene merno. One more better and come win perspective ke bori kang ni numa wati ber ma bag ngam ka gimon po ber ma bag ngam ber right to twala.
What I can say, ipiem wengere la better Ki second ana beberoti ki la jao beberoti.
For sure.
So me, according to me and according to my perspective is, you know, this thing here, though people are giving a lot of comments on social media, people are abusing the Numa team. So those guys did a lot, because without these guys, there would be no competition among us in northern Uganda. That is one.
Sure.
And whether they want it or not, there was not going to be any competition. You see, this thing here, it might look simple, but everybody wants to hold it and put it into their wardrobe or whatever. You get? So I feel Noma itself has brought this industry to limelight, whereby people compete, healthy competition, whereby release a song that will burst people's ears to get such thing. So according to me is whether or whatever they say to Numa won't affect them, because they decided it as a team, and they were on the look, they were looking who did well, who didn't do well, and who deserved the award, who don't deserve the award. So according to me, I don't blame anything on Numa. So they did what they did, and they appreciated the young talents home. And to my fellow artists, learn to appreciate. If this year you didn't win anything, next year work hard for it. You understand? You better work hard to get what you want. Because if you go again on social media, spoiling your brand, and putting Noma into your mouth in an abusive way, it won't make sense. At least praise them for what they've done for the last 10 or 15 years. Because right now in Central, when you come to Central Uganda, they know this award in Northern Uganda as the biggest. So if in Central they recognize this award, then you should also respect it. This time, if you don't win it, at least work hard for the rest of the year to get also one.
Yeah, I'm sure many people have different. I mean, anything that you do in the world, what I always say, people would talk about it. Even if you do good things, they will talk about it. If you do bad things, they will talk about it. People just run their mouths everywhere, you know. But we have to. Sometimes you have to keep depth here. That's what I say. Like lo irio, you get
then
that.
at the end of the day, the owner of the awards or the organizers loses nothing. You're the one losing because you're spoiling your brand. That is one. And another thing, Mr. Laughter, what we lack in Northern Uganda is one, branding ourselves as artists. You know, what I think we should work on is branding. Branding is something very good, whereby if you brand yourself as an artist, even kagi gami show no will live back no deal with biro corny pub maybe ento got a street and taking Loremi without weighing people get used to you now. You want anything to the street kind. They know you show what point, you get. But if you brand yourself in a way that it is very hard to see you on street. They see you in a week, maybe someone will just see you when you're passing. When you make a show, even fans will want to see you. So to my fellow brothers, I think we need to brand. That's why I'm also working with my manager and my team to brand ourselves to at least, so that when deals of shows come, I'm gonna get a guanyamo poro duan man.
You ain't chaka mod pero dong tiok na la so kiro chaka mod near mo or to gonna be bertie kiro one for the car wajake. So kira manar ke like you have started well. And I'm happy ni oloto within these few years already know Mogaba mo nyumuchar mo ekome. What taking comments kila pen maduong kan mom miro worry so I've been displaying Kenya jobo can't kila pen mabejo jo can't take let me show this here. This one is from Alena Gloria saying this is great. So that is what she's saying. She's saying this is great. I'm happy and mono comment my antika watching it.
Yeah, Queen Alena, I'm
yeah.
seeing you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Let's look at another one. This is Gangwewa TV saying, "Well done, Tommy Bear TV from this for this initiative." All right, thank you, Tommy Gangwe TV. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, thank you. And then Matiki Mukanikan Gangwe, Trial of Badung. Well done, brother Rax.
Thank
Mono-
you. Thank you.
and
Thank you.
then yeah, I'm a comment, but doing kind of pain when let me have a look at it.
Okay.
Okay, Lena came with a question here. What does Bravo has this here, and where does he see himself 2 years from now? So Gamla Pena, I'm a link.
I think this year what I want to first do is I want to shoot the video of Twene Nyumbani.
Okay.
Shoot the video of Ginamara now, because Ginamara right now I've relaunched it because I released it in December.
Yeah.
But with the weight of Twene Nyumbani, it didn't go well. So I relaunched it for the next 3 months, I think.
Yeah.
Then after, I think will come collaboration. Then I think I'll release a single. Then no.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So basically, where do you maybe go pay for this coming year?
This coming year, I think I'm going to do roughly will be 4. Roughly 4 for a good product to be out there. I think 4. Yeah.
I think in production at my back pedak better cara mukene mano music water trial to ning. So yeah, you were waiting on the studio man. Work down with
yeah. I do my song from OCM Records. Is in Kampala.
Yeah.
When you reach Kampala, I think you need to go to Luzira Mutungo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then my producer is called Atups Pro. Yeah, it's behind every hit you're listening, every song you're listening in the background.
Okay.
It's Atups doing it for me, and we are working in hand with him to make sure we change the quality of the music industry.
Yeah. That's good. I like his work. And machala way bene or to troops. And bene you way my bedroom doing to trial pay bene. And I still have some songs in.
Wow.
I still have some songs in these studios. Mommy again. Mommy way bene.
I had one. One time I had one. You know, there's that name of yours, Mr. Laughter.
Yeah.
Man, even though the song don't come in, just that name. Something will just come into your mind.
Yeah, well there very much. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. But so put together this year, Benna. Yeah, I'm gonna come up with some few songs, Benna. Just to kickstart, my music. Let's look at another comment here. He's asking, is he married or not? They're asking here. Gangwei is asking, are you married?
I think I'm still just searching, but but we are not.
Single ladies a win, but yeah, but why am I yeah, so, that's good. All right. La pen mukanatie gangwedo mi la pen madung merata. Now if he is how many kids so far? So no pay gama pen latini down food pay. How about his life after music? Ini tim gang on be cha on my team ka che pa team away.
I think I'm a business guy, so I deal in entrepreneurship. I'm to investment. So apart from music, when I'm home, I'm in my investment whereby I get my income out of what I've been investing. So I do now, like here in Kampala, when you need plain t-shirts, you need print, not like these ones. So such thing you can easily get it through me. So I got all the connections. So those are kind of business I'm handling, and many more. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Ngay way be nang kare wear ang pwede mo be achar mo be. No nang teacher tak so
Man.
look at to me nung gi mo be na bed ke yele kere.
Yeah, man. So, cause sometimes you may fail to get shows in
Yeah.
every month. So, how will you feed? Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Ngay way kera waya ne ka pwede mo gi mo be na no tak. So I'm thankful that you're at least also doing some
Yeah.
be achar, which is good. Now let's look at another comment. Kan bene. Any other also apart from the music? You already talked about that.
Yeah.
And then we have let's see this one. An what is other a word apart from Numa after he is eyeing to like can't penyo kache maparki Numa word ngom word makene ma
Yeah.
iti nana na my mer gene my mer timene nyo tigi mir
I
me
think I'm
me dongone.
I think I'm looking up to now hypo award. Then maybe now this one of the MTN award, which happens every year.
Yeah.
So I'm working towards that. If I scoop those two, I think now I'll try hard to what the central guys are fighting for. That's what I will also start fighting for seriously. Yeah.
Which award is that for the Central?
Central. I've forgotten how they wrote the abbreviation. So maybe I'll write it in comments. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Really, really, really. I love it. Kache, and then you have that vision because kama kene down on better limited ke
Yeah.
inero gini no America di numa word and word madong no be lo dom yara bit kere strictly and
Yeah.
also kind of
You
party.
know
So,
what I'm trying to do is you know, in northern
yeah.
we fear too much,
Yeah.
and for me, though the fear is there, but I'm willing to overcome it in a long way, in a long run. That I need to just work hard because I want also these central people to also recognize Bravo Rex as a musical label in future to come, whereby so I'm working towards that I should achieve that kind of goal because you know in Central here they fail to always recognize our big artists, which we call the Northern Uganda. When they come here, they're nothing. So the same thing. I want to do something whereby when I come here, I'm recognized. That's why I give respect to my brother Easy, the lyrical. I give a respect my brother because you have lift the flag that was flopping down. You have raised it up, and I'm also coming into that platform whereby I would need to join hand with you. We lift it a bit higher so that we can make it bigger. Yeah. Oh, and I think you have muted your audio. I'm not getting you at all.
All right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can get you right now.
Okay. So yeah, kida waje kene jimu kene chama kene better tech, but wangeni if you have that ability to go on and make things work no bad at all. We wanna chill, which is good.
Yeah.
Yen mo kene ana yamati penyene kache la kwenti wa and your relationship with other artists.
Yeah. So
Artists kind of thing.
I think I have good relationship with the other artists. I'm always with them there, so I feel we connect because I'm this person who is down to earth. I like making friendships. So the one the energy matches with me, yeah, we become friends. We share contacts. We make sure we build something that others fail to build there.
Yeah. Yeah, the way my tamane relating ke from the north there my tamane ange chamo kene no joma digiti no joma margiti pa nge kai tiki type way but
I know. Yeah, now like when you look at an artist like Tempera Mona, I call him a legend. Uh, I call him a legend. So I give him respect so much. I really connect with him. I have people like Kuchi Classic, yeah, uh, and many more because the names are many. Yeah, the
yeah
names are many. Yeah,
yeah um
yeah.
so would you why your name me to collab one ke Eddy Wizzy about
Yeah.
about and Temperamon. I don't know. Temperamon is my and Kakanova is my one time fun. Mama na young at no we are po being a show more actually and we ran
Uh,
after his vehicle just looking at him. The food was ten a full. So he's like one person my really value in music industry, North Kenya. The Amar
uh,
and work so much. I really love Kira entire Kira and Beru most
yeah,
times. So
it's
he's a
one
really good guy.
guy.
Mm.
He's a one guy, by the way. That guy has a talent.
Yeah.
I call him a legend because I shared the stage with him. I went, on first, when it was on 31st of
Yeah.
2023 when we were
Mm.
crossing over. We had
Yeah.
a performance in a district called Omoro with
Mm.
him. So we managed to move in the same vehicle with him.
Mm.
Is a nice guy. He
Yeah.
does not say this guy is an upcoming or this guy is still young. So he
Yeah.
treats people equally. So he gave me the courage. He gave me the how I can handle this industry. I felt so comfortable and home with
Mm.
him.
Mm.
We shared contacts. We became more than friends. We even share when he has shows. He give me the posters. We share when he has
Mm.
links. So I feel right now with him we are connecting so well. The
Okay.
person that I want to make a collab with, Eddy
Mm.
Wizzy, my
Mm.
brother, I respect you so much.
Mm.
I've never met you face to face. I've always seen you when we share stage. I always see you when you just go perform and
Mm.
get
Mm.
away. But I'm willing to meet you soon, and we talk
Mm.
business, musical business. I respect
Yeah.
you so much. Your music is, yeah, man.
Mm.
You always kill it to the maximum. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's really good. That is really good to have somebody that you look up to, in North,
Mm.
which is good. I love that you want to have that collab and have that time, with, Gangwei. I think maybe our sound was not on a little bit. Maybe it's now back. Let me know, if we are on, and then if everyone is hearing us. So wish you well in the struggle. That is Gangwei Tikawachua in Machalo. Bravo Rex.
Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you,
Yeah,
Gangwei.
Gangwei,
Thank you so
Gangwei.
much. Thank you for taking this
Yeah,
time and watching me live with
yeah,
Mr. Laughter. Appreciate. Afoy
yeah.
matek. Afoy matek.
I'm not seeing any comment on Facebook. I don't know why, but oh no, me
Mm.
comment me Facebook. But yeah, if you're watching on Facebook, let me also see. Give me your comment so I can see, as as we move on. Then Chalo. So. All right, yeah, mono catching at Facebook. Let me also know because I'm streaming on Facebook and on YouTube as well. So catch your comment. You'll just come here and I will see it straight away. Kachel. Yes, brother X. Angeni gimama poll to 12 pay. Kachel lokomotie. We should run it up. We have spent so far 43 minutes, and
And
yeah,
it has
anything.
been fun, by the way.
Yeah,
Uh, for
I'm
me, it's
happy you
like we
enjoy
have
it.
just spent 20 minutes, as if we have
Mm.
just spent 20 minutes. It
Yeah,
has
it's
been so fun.
yes, I
So
see
I
it.
think.
Let me get this comment first. There's a comment on Facebook.
Okay.
This is Emmanuel Ayad. I am just listening to. Yeah, thank you, Emma. That is my friend. Is
Thank you,
in
my brother.
Louisiana. Yeah,
Apoy
thank you.
Winya, this is Brother Rex UG.
Yeah. So that is one comment on Facebook. Thank you for being there. If you have any comment before we move, we have about just 15 minutes left for us to crown up the show. If you have any
Yeah.
question for Brother Rex, if you have any collab that you want to do with Brother Rex, type it in there. If you want to learn more about Brother Rex, just let me know on the comments, and then we can share with him. Is there anything that you want to do special for your fans this year 2024? What should your fans expect from you this year?
Come again. Come again. The network a bit. I didn't get you a bit.
Okay, I was saying, what do you have for your fans for this coming year? What should they expect from you?
What I can tell my fans is, I won't promise you heaven and earth, but what I will tell you that I want to work more harder, so that by the end of the year, if I can scoop 2 hours in just 1 year, then I think I'll make you more proud, my fans. Yeah, so I want to work so really hard with my fellow artists. If whether it mean collaboration, we shall do it. Yeah, whether it mean what video shoot, they're in the pipeline. We are working upon it. So most people don't know me. They always listen to music, but they don't know me. Who is Bravo XUG? Because I just have like 2 videos I've so far released in my career. So for the trending songs that are trending right now, Twende Nyumbani, the video is in pipeline. We are soon releasing it. Then Ginamaranas also very soon we are releasing it. So just be comfortable, take a seat and watch Bravo Rex music. Take control soon.
Yeah, I'm happy I would be there to watch it, and it would be nice. I'll call you back again whenever you have anything new. You just let me know, and then we shall do like a
Man.
premiere on a live here. Even if you still don't
Okay.
have the video, we'll just do the audio and see how we can figure it out. I want this show to be moving on so that everybody knows about it. Since you were the first person who started the show, I'm happy and I'm excited that people are liking it, looking at all these comments, even the first time. So it's a really good initiative that we have. Somebody's asking here if you are born again, which means if you're thinking of joining church or where do you pray from? I think that's what he's wanting to know. Are you having an idea to do gospel music someday, some here, wherever you? Let them know.
As in the first, I told my fans that I was a versatile guy. So indeed, I'm a versatile guy. You for in case you want gospel, just go to my YouTube channel, type Paraloenge by Bravo Rex UG. Download it. That's one song that when I feel I'm in pain, I feel I'm down, I listen to and I get back up. So if you listen to that song, it will give you something. So I'm a bit versatile. I sing gospel, I sing any kind of music that comes by. So I cannot leave God aside in this hustle. So God is always my number one. So that's why I had to also sing a song praising my God. That's why when you listen to the song, you'll tell me in the comment. Yeah. Your mic is a bit muted, I think. Your mic has muted itself again. Can you hear me now? Mr. Laughter, I think your mic, I can't get you at all. I can get the song in the background, but then your voice. Hello, I can't get you. Your mic is a bit muted. I think I can get the song in the background, but then I can't get to what you're saying. I can't get you. Umepata lavu na kichani, fighting karate. It's what I'll do to your body. My girl, she a madara, she a gambola, she a poop it up. When I poop it up, yeah. Mr. Lofter, I'm not getting you at all. I don't know what's up. What's up with the network, maybe.
Yeah, Bravo Rex, music's the journey. I'm Tamari, baby, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm Talui, baby, mega, Bing Bora, in Makachia. I'm willing to cross the border. You're 18 and over. We can use this border. Make a wish and order. Wagangwa. Jalanya wakateriga. Wagangwa. Kila siku imoniwia. Mina kujali. Awini poro kweda. Tina sukali. Kila siku imoniwia. Mina kujali.
Winnie Poroqueda. Yeah, man. I'm not getting Mr. Laughter. Really, I don't know why.
Fighting karate, it's what I'll do to your body. My girl, she a murderer, she a gambler, she a pop it up, when I pop it up. I'm willing to cross the border. You're a taking over. We can use this border border. Kila siku imewia, mimi nakujali. Awini porokweda, tina sukali. Kila siku imewia, mimi nakujali.